Hi everyone, welcome to today's webcast on duty-free channel reporting. My name is Akshay Chaturvedi. I'm a business intelligence and data analytics consultant at Thorogood and have drawn my experience and expertise to bring you today's presentation. Our agenda today will start with a brief introduction to Thorogood. We will then set context by looking at what is the duty-free channel and the future of this channel in retailer firms. We will then look at the need of various key features of the duty-free channel data sets and reporting needs for this data. And finally, we will look at the various challenges and learnings from this exercise. For those of you who don't know Thorogood, we are an independent niche business intelligence and analytics services firm with a focus on data engineering, data science, and data visualization. Our approach is rooted in understanding business goals and using the capabilities of technology to meet those goals. So customers and business objectives are the forefront of our approach. We are a global company with offices and consultants in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. We offer a full range of services when it comes to data and analytics that includes data and technology strategies and roadmaps, end-to-end implementation of cloud solutions, user empowerment, and analytics services. Our clients typically span 4 different data-rich verticals: consumer goods, pharmaceutical and health services, banking, and insurance, with experience across the board in various functions of these verticals like finance, supply chain and operations, market data, among others. As I've mentioned, we are independent in that we don't work with one specific technology. Instead, we partner with a wide array of technology firms in the business intelligence and analytics markets, including backend, front-end, and analytics-driven technologies. We find this independence is helpful to have a holistic view of the space, understand our customers regardless of their current data landscape, and identify the best possible solutions for our customers based upon their needs. We have been a gold partner in relevant specialties with Microsoft for over 20 years, and we have a seat on Microsoft's Partner Advisory Council, which provides us with insights into Microsoft's product and services roadmap in the space, but also a platform for feedback in terms of what we are experiencing in the market. Globally, we host a range of marketing, often educational marketing events on Microsoft's BI and analytics platforms and tools. We can also navigate to our website or YouTube page for videos on other Microsoft BI and broader BI topics, like using Databricks for advanced analytics. You can stay abreast of upcoming events in London and online via the events page on our website. We have been featured on Microsoft's Power BI Partner Showcase, which is a resource Microsoft has made available online to highlight the art of the possible in Power BI, having partners create dashboards that are available to view. We are also Microsoft Cloud Solution Provider, meaning that we can host clients' cloud infrastructure within the Thorogood environment. Let's now deep dive into today's discussion topic of what is the duty-free channel and why it has become very popular among travel shoppers. Duty-free channel covers sales from airports, border duty-free shops, military sales, cruise lines, and general shipping all over the world. For a long time now, travel retailers have acknowledged that consumers in the right frame of mind who are open to this kind of activity is a very exciting environment. Offering the right product, brand, and pricing to the traveler is essential within the duty-free market. The duty-free retail segment represents a source of opportunities where sales is likely to be incited to aid airport retailers to make much required proceeds. Duty-free and travel retail generates vital revenues. Across the world, retail is now the largest contributor to non-aeronautical income at airports. As of the first quarter 2020, price advantage and price quality ratio attributed to shopping duty free were the leading reasons that consumers made duty free and travel retail purchases. Each of these reasons were chosen by almost 31% of consumers for making purchases in a duty free channel. Let's now discuss the future of duty free channel and its importance in the current market space. We'll also look at some of the initiatives large retailer companies have taken on to help grow back this channel post the effects of COVID pandemic. The first question that comes in mind while looking at the future of duty free channel is how will duty free retail changing to the meet of emerging trends? Today, airport shops mostly remind you of a shopping mall. Airport duty free has remained highly flourishing and most demanding among consumers in the recent years. According to the World Duty Free Council, the global duty free retail sales is the second fastest developing global sales network after online. A significant rise in the rate of passengers in the recent years has opened several duty-free business opportunities and thus promoted a revolution in the air travel lifestyle. As part of the post-COVID recovery strategy, duty-free retailers are now beginning to turn into more sophisticated businesses by adding cafeterias, eateries, bars, and beauty centers to their offerings, thus imitating the idea of shopping malls. In 2021, for example, Nestle, Montblanc, Paco Rabanne, Baileys, Slipmits, Jim Beam, and among others, all released new travel-only products and flavors. Their strategies behind these campaigns, however, are continuously evolving. For example, Nestle banks on travel retail's ability to drive discovery of new products, brands, etc., while Knox keeps gifting in mind. Going forward, travel retail experts predict exclusives will be even more important to consumers as travelers seek unique destination shopping experiences. The next big question for duty free channel is on arrival duty free. Is on arrival duty free going to be the future source of revenues? By promoting the progress of on arrival duty free sales at airports, retailers can endure to thrust their retail business revenues, to expand activities, and to extend the latitude of activities that duty free retailers can commence at airports. On arrival duty free is a vital step towards recovery from post pandemic, which can possibly bring in much needed financial freedom to the airport network. Hence, many airport retailers are adopting on arrival duty free retailing techniques in many regions across the globe. This technique is specifically being practiced in the Latin America, Caribbean, Asia Pacific, and Middle East countries. Nearly 45 nations have now adopted the notion of on arrival duty free, including few of the leading aviation sectors across the globe, be it Brazil, India, Australia, Russia, Thailand, Indonesia, Turkey, and UAE, to name some. This type of airport service technique has become popular among travelers who wish to delay shopping till they reach the airport, mainly because of the stringent hand luggage policies and environmental concerns regarding carrying heavy weight aboard airplanes. Now let's move on to see some of the key data sets present for duty-free channels and their implications. Some of the basic dimensions that are part of the worldwide duty-free data sets are accounts, consumers, geography, territory, exchange rate, product information, brand information, retail audit data sets, sales data sets, time, footfall, and many more. Some of the key KPIs that executives or stakeholders for duty free channel want to explore in their reporting needs are net revenue value in various currencies, volumes of sales, total volume in units, share of market sales compared with the total sales in this channel and comparison to other channels, consumer footfall counts, basket data, brand affinity, buying products at duty-free shops, number of activities registered, number of consumers registered, and many more. The key need for duty-free channel executives is to have business-focused analytical solutions aimed at building customer centricity, solutions that can achieve high performance data load and querying performance using modern and innovative architecture patterns, bringing together point of sale, inventory, basket data sets together containing billions of rows of historical data. Having flexible and scalable data pipelines, allowing for the fast integration of new data sets and close coordination with the business teams to ensure new functionalities are introduced expediently and aligned to the business demands. Ability to analyze guest trends, basket trends, for example, spends and trips per guest, purchase frequency, penetration, brand exclusivity, new, lapsed, and repeat guests at all levels of the product hierarchy, guest incrementality to identify where products are driving new guests to your category, basket overlap, and brand affinity matrices. Now that we have discussed some basic data sets and KPIs that are predominantly used for the reporting needs of the worldwide duty-free data, we will quickly look at some of the sample type of reports which can be very useful to answer key business questions that might be present for the duty-free channel. Some business questions that need to be answered using duty-free channel reports are: how are my various regions performing? What has been the trend of my sales value volume over time? A typical worldwide duty-free airport shop might have hundreds of SKUs, hundreds of brands. So we need extra product characteristics by enabling drill-through features in your reporting suites, which will be quite useful to deep dive into these characteristics and get the right information for your executives. Answering such questions can help identify new opportunities in the market and respond to emerging trends and judge your total market growth or decline. Another key question that duty-free channel executives need to answer is: how is my market value or volume share growing for my brands? Do we see a correlation between the value sales and the positioning of the brand in the market? Such questions can help you understand your market position and also help you measure your visibility before and after campaigns or focused ongoing marketing activities. It gives you a benchmark of what works and what doesn't, and can offer you direction in how you can be more effective for your future campaigns. That is it for the sample reports. Now let's move on to today's last topic and understand some learnings of managing duty-free data sets and reporting in Power BI. The key learnings to take away for managing your duty-free data sets are: expected growth for duty-free channel, duty-free merchandising solutions and strategies present a game-changing opportunities for travel retailers to grow. The need to analyze your data from duty-free channel and prospect of growth within this channel. The route to market, serving customers and consumers around the globe, is more complex than the majority of domestic markets. And thus, the need to analyze and model this data is becoming a key priority for executives for travel retailers. Ability to model the large volumes of data to answer key business questions that will help your duty-free channel to grow. The key challenge for duty-free data sets is its implementation in many different locations as local solutions. Now, these local solutions might not be adjusted to reflect the disparity of the data quality. Hence, the need to create strong, robust data models is vital. It also helps you and your key stakeholders the freedom to get the availability of data at the right level, answering the right business questions. Using reporting tools like Power BI, Tableau, and others to visualize this data and making key decisions to help the organization grow as well as your customers. The objective behind the reporting should be able to provide solutions which can be interrogated against different parameters such as brands, markets, locations, and can provide you the key KPIs to answer such questions. Having a simple mechanism for users to build their own specific reports with data sets relevant to their specific needs also plays a vital role. Thank you for joining us today. Again, please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Thank you and have a great day.